Here's the deal, boys. Johnny Griller's coming fishing with me. He's walking down the dock. Yes, sir. There's old Johnny. Yes, sir, Johnny.
Already.
Yes, sir. Let's go get him, brother. Johnny.
Boy,
yes, sir. Dude, he was so strong, dude. You got him good. Way to go, Johnny. I guess that net ain't never going out all the way, is it? Maybe someday. Man. I can show you how to put that out. Dude, this thing is hooked. Like,
nice, healthy.
Yeah, it's a freaking good, I don't know. What do you think, Johnny? Yeah, in there. That's a freaking good one, dude. Dude, I just picked this jerkbait up.
And you said I think there might be one in there.
Yeah, I was like, there should be one on the end of this weed clump. You know what I mean? And that's where he was. He freaking crushed it, dude. That's not a bad one, dude. That's a freaking chunky monkey. Yes, sir. I love Megabass.
Yes, sir, Johnny.
There's one. There's one, Johnny. Little scrap iron, I think. Yes, freaking right in the middle of the bay with a jerkbait. Came up and chewed on it. Yes, a little chewer. Don't you even think about that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Whew. Every time you grab one this little, you're sweating it out.
Yep.
Because there's too many hooks in too small a space. Good one, Johnny? You got him, Johnny? Yeah, he looks nice, dude. What'd you get him on? He's freaking pulling, Johnny.
I know he is.
Dude, it's a freaking good one. Ugh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That's all right. There's a double, Johnny. Johnny, we got a double. 2 scrap irons. Yes, sir. The battle of the scrappers. Yes, sir, Johnny. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Johnny. Dude, hey, we got a double, dude.
Oh, man, I put that one right through his eyeball. Oh, he's going to be hurting him. Oh, man. I can't believe it. Crap. I wish I wouldn't have caught him now.
Why do you say that?
Because it went
He ruined his eyeball. There you go, Johnny.
Yeah, I don't want to hurt. Yeah. We got him.
Dude, that was a freaking double they were chewing. Good one, Johnny. Good one, Johnny. Yes, sir, brother. Oh, he gave you the business. Yeah, he did. He gave you the business, Johnny.
Oh, God, Scotty. He swallowed it, I think. Oh, no. Oh, crap. Damn it.
Pliers are on the front deck, brother.
Oh.
Oh, dude, I got freaking mule train. Oh, he freaking hit it again. And he's running with it.
Get him?
I got him that time. Dude, it's a decent one. Not a bad one.
Oh, yeah.
Little fatter anyway.
Yeah, he is. Good job.
That's what you get.
You brutalize those.
That's what you get, Johnny. There's another one. I got him. I think I got him. Oh, he wrapped me in the shit, John. It might be a better one. It might not be. Oh no, he wrapped me in the shit, dude. God damn it. He gave me the business, dude. Dude, that was a better one, dude.
Was it?
Yeah, I need more than a BFS to get him out of there.
Ah, wow.
Gonzo. That sounded like a breaker. Oh, that thing freaking ran with it like a maniac.
No.
Dude, this little fish. Dude, he pulled so freaking fast with this fucking bait, dude. I can't even tell you. I thought it was a tank. Oh, it's getting chewed.
Got him.
Johnny, that's so funny, dude. Right in the lower jaw. That's weird. Usually you don't get them in the lower jaw, but I guess when you're twitching it, it ends up however it ends up. There you go, Johnny. Don't get freaking ornery. So Yankee Lipper out, Johnny.
Yankee Lipper out. We had a decent day.